Okay. Now we continue. City of spices is called Calicut. Calicut is a city which made many of the spices like ginger, pepper, turmeric, and etc. That's why we call city of spices. Next is very famous city that is Kaju's capital of the world. It's called because in their city more than 600 kajus farm. Just more than 600 kajus farm and is the trading of the kajus internal external, and that is the efficient source of income. That is only one source of income. That's why we call Kaju's capital of the world. Next is city of festival and the essence of the east. That is Madurai. Madurai is the city of Tamil Nadu. There is 100 plus temples. How many temples? 100 plus temples. Each and their temples celebrated own cultures, own festivals. So in this area, that's why we call city of festival. Got it? And this city, Madurai, it's celebrated one of the culture that is Dravidian culture. That's why, because it's the Athens culture, that's the reason we call Athens of the East. Athens of the East. Now next is Gateway of South, and Gateway of South means the entry gate of South India, that is Chennai. Entry gate of South India, that is Chennai. And here is the most famous automobilization, like your famous car BMW, Nia, Ford. This is the famous cars making on this city, that is Chennai. Got it? Now next is merchant of South India is Comrade. Merchant for which product? The South Indian textile. Textile means her colors, her cotton fields, her designs, that her quality of the dresses. So that call we call merchant of South India. Merchant of India is Ahmedabad and merchant of South India is Coimbatore. Got it? Clear? If we using South India to this city, if you using only India, that is Ahmedabad. Got it, everyone? Understood, Shaurya? Yeah. Kanishka, understood? Now we are moving the next one. That is Paris of East. Paris of East is Pondicherry. Paris of East is Pondicherry. Because the reason is why we call it Paris, because there of beautiness, because of beautiness. And there one is a famous town that's called the White Town and French Street. The two things, it's White Town and the French Street, that's like a mini Paris. That's the reason we call the Paris of East is Pondicherry. Next is a very famous city, Switzerland of India, that is Kashmir. Switzerland of India is Kashmir. The reason? Because of her mountains, Himalayas, landscapes, and many of the activities like bungee jumping, grow and the famous fruit in grow in Kashmir, that is apple. So in a mindset of the people, and then we put their name Switzerland of India. Switzerland of India. Next is Steel City of India. Steel City of India is Jamshedpur. Steel City of India is Jamshedpur because the first steel company, it's situated on this place in 1912, and the first company of the steel, that name is Tisco. Tisco. That is the company, first Indian steel company in Jamshedpur, which year 1912. In that year. Got it, everyone? Now next, Temple City of India, that is Bhubaneswar. Temple City of India, that is Bhubaneswar. Which city? Bhubaneswar is a royal city of Odisha, because in that only that city is 500 plus 500 plus temples before 2000 years. Most of the temples are older than 2000 years. That is very old temple, very famous temple. That's why we call Temple City of India. Temple City of India. Now the next, Silver City. Silver City, because this is also the city of Odisha, and this is the art of silver. Most of the silver rings, utensils, artwork, crafting, silver jewelries, a lots of things made by this city, and this is the earning and the eye catcher design. This is making a very precious, very unique design. Now the next is Scotland of. Wait a second. I just share my screen again. It's stuck. Just hold on 1 second. I will share my screen. Okay. Now you can see my screen. Now you can see my screen. Everyone. Sorry, you can see my screen. Sure, are you there? Okay. Now the next is Scotland of in East. Scotland of is Shillong. Shillong is also because this is a dreamy city and the clean lake, green mountain, Hellies. Hellies means the small mountains. Hellies means the small mountain. That why we call the Scotland of East. Now move to the next, that is Damodar Valley, region of India, that is Damodar Valley, because it's a very in this valley it's very rich for coal, iron, and steel. Which three were? Coal, iron, and steel. Okay. Now we're going for the next twin city. Twin city means the two city is similar, the things, the working. That's why we call the twin city. The first city is Hyderabad and second city is both city is developed by the British and the biographical means made like a same city, same decorate, same same statues, same thing. That's why we call twins city. That's why we call the twin city. Now the next is golden city. Golden city is Amritsar. Golden city is Amritsar because Amritsar में the famous temple is Golden Temple. This is the precious of the Sikhs who religious in the Punjabi, that is very famous. That's why we call the Golden City. Golden City means Amritsar. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, now just tell me. We are going for some cities name like see. We are lesson the three small thing. First the state, then the city name, and then their nickname. First city is Punjab. The Punjab में one city is Patiala and the nickname is Royal City. The nickname of Patiala is Royal City. Okay. See, the most of the cities are states are same, but cities are different and the nicknames are different. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, now just tell me something. Which city name is which city nickname is Orange City? Orange City.
Ahmedabad.
No, Ahmedabad is city of merchant of India. Orange City, orange.
Nagpur.
Yes, Nagpur. Because Nagpur is a most growing production of the or okay. Now just tell me what is the nickname of Pune? What is the nickname of Pune? Tell me the nickname of Pune.
This is the picture.
Your voice is cracking. Please repeat again.
It's green.
Repeat it again. Your voice is not clear.
Deccan Queen.
Yes, Deccan Queen. Okay, now tell me what is the nickname of Lucknow?
Nawab.
Lucknow nickname is
Nawab.
City of Nawab, not Nawab. That is City of Nawab. Okay? Okay, now just tell me in which city nickname is Golden City? Which city nickname is Golden City?
Victor.
Amritsar.
Victor.
Yes. Or which city name is Merchant of India?
Pune.
Merchant of India. Which city?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. And which city nickname is City of Joy? City of Joy. Yes, Kolkata. Now tell
Kolkata
me.
is my daddy house.
Okay. Now tell me which city is known as the City of Lake? City of Lake. And one more. Jodhpur and
Udaipur and Bhopal.
Udaipur and Bhopal. Very good. What is the nickname of Mumbai? What is the nickname of Mumbai? Tell me. Your voice is not clear. Repeat it again.
City.
Now tell me, in which, what is the nickname of Jodhpur? What is the nickname of Jodhpur? Hmm. Now just tell me, which city we known as, which city we known as city of temples, temple city of India. Which city we known as temple city of India? Which city? Tell me, city of temple city of India is Bhuneshwar. It's a Bhuneshwar. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what is the nickname of Muzaffarpur? What is the nickname of Muzaffarpur? Tell me the nickname of Muzaffarpur. The city of land of lychees and the sweet city. Okay. Land of lychees and the sweet city is the nickname of Muzaffarpur. Okay. Okay. Now just tell me what. Okay. Wait. I just sent this PDF to you. Okay. You just revise all the things, and in this PDF, each and every downside you given the proper reason why we put it the things. Okay. Now tell me, what is the nickname of Bangalore? What is the nickname of Bangalore?
City.
Yes. Which city we known as Scotland of India? Which city we known as Which city we known as City Scotland of
Kashmir.
Hmm.
Kashmir.
Yes, Kashmir. Very good. Now, which city we call as wine capital of India? This city we known as wine capital of India.
Indian and Nashik. Indian and Nashik. Indian and Nashik.
Yes, that is Nasik. Now, which city, what is the nickname of Kanpur? What is the nickname of Kanpur?
Yeda city.
Yes, Leather City.
Yeda city.
Okay.
Ye. Yeda. Itu benar kan? Iya. Iya. Ya.
Okay, now just tell me which city we call as merchant of South India? Which city we call a merchant of South India?
नहीं पता.
Yes. Now tell me which city we known as Gateway of South?
Mumbai.
No, that is Chennai. That is Chennai. Okay. Okay. Now just tell me what is the nickname of Surat? What is the
नहीं पता.
nickname of Surat is Diamond City of India. Which city?
Diamond City of India.
Yes, Diamond City of India. Why we call the Diamond City? Because most of the diamond cutting in the Surat. That's why we call the Diamond City of India. Okay. I hope you got the PDF, right?
No.
Okay. Shalini ma'am send it to you the PDF. Okay. And revise all the things. Okay, sure. Now
Okay.
we are going some questions. Wait a minute. I show the some questions. You just give me the answers. Clear?
Okay.
Wait a second. Okay, now tell me which city we known as City of Paris? Which city we known as City of Paris? Tell me. It's Pondicherry. Which city? Pondicherry. Hmm. Okay. I hope you like the sessions and
Tisha, I cannot see your video.
okay. Now you can see my video.
No.
Why? I think now you can see.
No.
Okay.
Your video is off.
See, I join my two device. My another device video is on, not the speak device. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now I hope you like the session and I send you the class recording and the PDF. So you just revise it. Okay? Now I am
Whatever, excuse me, ma'am, whatever you are sharing there, the same PDF is there in the you are sharing.
the same PDF, the same class PDF I am sharing.
Oh,
And the class
okay, okay,
recording, it's a lifetime access, so you just see anytime.
okay. And whatever the multiple choice question that you are sharing, madam, for the practice of child.
Yes, yes, I am sharing the multiple choice questions and the normal question also as well. But I am sharing these questions in the today evening, not now.
Okay, okay, today evening. Okay, madam, no problem.
Come. Yeah, I.
Oh,
Tam tam tam. Tam.
okay, bye
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am. Tomorrow
Have
is
a nice
there.
day.
Tomorrow is there.
What happened? Oh, okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.